It's not every day we want to brag about a cleaning product, but a Studio 5 producer recently found a product she loves so much, we are adding it to our Studio 5 love list. So sure, you've seen Clorox wipes. Many of us depend on them to keep our counters and sinks clean. These are a little different though. Rather than that strong, bleachy smell, these smell fresh, even tropical. They sort of like transport you to a beach vacation, sort of a vibe, like you're maybe sipping on a pina colada as you clean the kitchen. I don't know, that might be stretching it, but they're the Clorox Scentiva Coconut scented disinfecting wipes. They claim to kill 99% of bacteria, just like regular wipes, but without the bleach. So they do smell amazing. Producer Mindy Denyon said she was on a vacation with her extended family, and her sister-in-law cleaned the kitchen counters each night with these. And every time someone walked into the room, they would ask why it smelled so fresh and clean. They're subtle too, not too loud to the senses. So anyway, looking for the coconut wipes, you can purchase them in bulk on Amazon or buy the individual tube from Target. You can expect to pay a little more than $6 for this size container or 75 cleaning wipes. As always, we'll post a link on our website along with all of our other love list recommendations. You can search those using the search engine in the upper right-hand corner of the screen.